Welcome back, little goblins. Today, you are going to be able to determine if an equation is a direct variation, and also to be able to determine its constant rate of change, which is the k. We are going to have this video lesson, and then also afterwards, you will be doing a Schoology assignment. So let's get started. Let's review some terms. Direct variation occurs when two values change at the same rate. The k is the constant of variation, the constant of proportionality, and the constant rate of change. Two direct variation equations that are important for you to know is one is to find the k, which is y over x, and then y equals k times x. The first problem, we are going to be determining whether the equation is a direct variation. If it is, find the constant variation. So, let's take a look at it. We may notice something about this equation. We may notice that it has two variables, an x and a y. So therefore, it is a literal equation that we worked on in our first 8 weeks. So let's take a look and see if we can find the k. So let's solve for y to see if we can find a direct variation. So we are going to divide by 7. That's going to cancel out, and we're going to get y equals 2/7 x. Notice the form that this equation has developed into. Y equals k times x, with our k being 2/7. Therefore, it is a direct variation. Yay! Let's try another one. I have written down the equation 3y equals 8 minus 4x. And we want to find out whether this equation is a direct variation. If it is, we're going to find the k. Well, let's take a look at it. And you may already know the answer to this one, but we are going to try to get it in terms of y equals k times x. So, the first thing we're going to need to do is to divide by 3, and we divide the whole thing by 3, so this will cancel out, and then we're going to end up with y equals, and then since we're dividing 3 by both terms, we're going to have 8/3 minus 4/3 x. Notice that is not in the form of y equals k times x. Therefore, this is not a direct variation, and we cannot find the k. There is no k, no. Now, keep in mind that these are examples doing it the long way. You can always think of the way Coach Alanis did it, Coach's way, which is much faster. Okay, so if you can do it visually or in your head, then you can. So it's just your option. Here we have another direct variation situation. Determine whether the equation is a direct variation. If it is, find the constant of variation, k. 4x plus 5y equals 0. So we need to get it in this form. This is, again, we've identified it as a literal equation. So we're going to subtract 4x from each side. We will have 5y equals 4x. It is taking the shape of a literal equation, but we can keep going. Divide by 5. And then now we are going to have 4/5 x. Notice by having it in this form, I will have my k right here, so our k is 4/5.